Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, tracing it back to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, reports that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "When Allah Jalla Jalaluhu issues any decree in the heavens, the angels humbly start to flutter their wings as a clear rock is lashed with a chain." Ali and many other people said, "Safwanin, clear rock." He Jalla Jalaluhu then issues this command amongst the angels. So when the fear of their hearts melts, they say, "What did your Lord enjoin?" They reply, "The truth, and He is the Most High, the Most Great." Ikrimah has reported it from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu. Ali said to Sufyan, "Has Ikrimah heard from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu?" He replied, "Yes." I said to Sufyan, "A man tracing it back to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says that Amr bin Dinar, with reference to Ikrimah, that Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu has read Furriga." Sufyan states that Amr bin Dinar has also read the same, but I don't know whether he has or has not heard. So Sufyan says it is same in our mode of recitation. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7481.